You guys were ever wondering what could be better than relaxing, floating, decompressing on the surface of the water? It's doing a deep water aqua workout first and then relaxing. Well, I have a perfect workout for you. Come on, splash, splash, come on, hop in. Our first exercise are the second version of this exercise is asymmetrical, and this one is actually my favorite because with this one you're not gonna see and press, keep to the side, step back and release it, okay? Look, I'm pushing my hands back with the pump, I release it, arms forward, exhale, push, inhale, release it. Your right leg forward and left arm forward. It's always gonna be the opposite one. Then you're gonna just switch your legs and arms at the same moment. It's even gonna be more challenging and more fun once I go deeper. But this is where I like to start. Push, push. I have even more amazing ideas for you. Next exercise, sideways scissors with a noodle. Try both. Don't believe me, try both. Frog jumps, so good. Exhale, and right here, and run, 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 run. Run like your favorite ice creams are on sale. And you guys can run backwards. It's a little bit easier than when you are floating holding these. And then we're gonna do the same on our back. We're gonna start hard, but then we're gonna slow it down. So now, get those liquids back to your body and enjoy the rest of the day. Sending you much love. Thanks for choosing this workout and see you with the next one.